Nakamotor lang ako.
We'll see you guys there. Hi guys! So, we're currently in
Disney.
Magic Kingdom. That's my first time. It's his second time. Ayo!
Turo mo. Monorail. We're going to...
Di ko inisip na mawauna ka pa. So first agenda is bumili ng headband. Ears. Ito. Malaki. Comment down below.
Tapos na bago ba?
Ngayon joke.
Yan, okay. Maganda. Anong gusto mo?
What do you think, love?
For me, sa akin.
Sige, tara. Okay, how much is it? Basta tiki. Tiki-tiki. Enchanted tiki. It's like a show. Show to naman, di ba, love? Show.
I don't know what time.
Napadaan lang kami dito, guys. Hindi namin talaga alam kung ano to.
Ang dami pala.
We just finished the Tiki Room. Ay, sorry ba? The Pirates of the Caribbean ride. Makikita namin si Jack Sparrow. Eto, may sarili akong Jack Sparrow. Ayun. Nakuha mo po.
Ang init na ba? Init na talaga.
Ay, kuya.
Gusto po ba? Saan kayo galing? Edmonton, Canada pa po. Apo. Bisita lang kayo, bisita. Apo. Sige na. Okay lang. Si Mickey may bayad niyan. Salamat po, kuya. Thank you po. Ingat po. That was nice. We got it for free. Thanks, Mickey.
Thank you, Mickey.
Thanks, Kuya Ronaldo. Appreciate.
So bait.
At least may mga Pilipino pang hospitality talaga. Like, you can tell the difference.
Hospitable, love. Not
Hospital siya. Dadalhin siya sa hospital. He made my day.
Yeah,
Actually, he made...
He's so bait. We got
Sandwich.
ice cream sandwich and then the ice cream bar. Kumakain kami sa may basura.
Thank you pa.
Bait ni kuya. Haunted Mansion.
My way.
Ha? Meron yan. We're in the ride. Naghanap kami ng iced coffee. Kasi inaantok tong kasama ko. Nakatulog na nga siya sa It's a Small World. You're mean! We're in Lafleur and Monster University. Fit check! Nasa Starbucks kami ngayon. Kasi we're so hungry. 2:31 na and yung parade is 3. Dadaan mo yung parade sa labas? We bought iced macchiato and everything bagel with cream cheese, and I got a chocolate croissant. Mag-i-start na yung parade anytime soon.
Gusto mo ba?
Wait lang.
Though I walk disgusting blighter, cause later.
Now we're walking to the castle.
Pretty little babe with a smile so sweet. When you look at me, my heart skips a beat.
Thank you! Yeah. Bye guys. Pasukan siya. Nanggigitata na buho kami dito. Amoy putok-patong katabi namin. Yung makeup lusaw na. Hanggang 11 pa kami dito. So, ano tayo dito? Cooking show. Cooking show tayo dito. Para tayo nasa Kalandita din. 45 minutes ang waiting time. Pero yung pasensya ko, parang di naabot ng 45 minutes.
Hey guys!
Nagalit pa siya. Nakipagpalit yung...
nagkwento pa.
Di ba nag-7 dwarfs kami? Nasa lane 3 kami, which is sa pangatlong upuan. Tapos yung nasa unahan, ayaw nilang nasa unahan. So nakipagpalit sa akin. Sabi ko, yes. Tapos nung pumunta na kami, hindi niya alam na pumayag ako dun sa unahan. Nagalit siya kasi natatakot siya. Ngayon, we're riding in Mad Tea Party.
Ang wag mo na paikutin din eh, hilo ko. Ram! Ano yung hilo ko?
So we're currently lining up for Space Mountain.
Space Mountain.
Wow, ano?
Space Mountain.
May parang ko natataiyaw.
Ayaw mo, tulad ako eh. Huwag mo ng picture, ha?
Hey guys, we just finished Space Mountain. It was good. Kasi
Ako matatay. Bro, di na ako nagsasalita. Wala ako.
baka naimatay ka na.
Lansya lang ako eh. Wala ako reaction.
Akala ko naimatay ka na kanina. Nakakatawa siya kasi wala kang makita tapos biglang babagsak.
Pero mahaba din, ababa din.
We're gonna ride the, ano yan, love? Tron.
Tara na. Iba na lang.
Hi guys. Kakatapos lang namin sumakay ng Tron. It was good. Kinabahan ako ng konti kasi parang matatanggal ako dun sa upuan. Sobrang luwag ng seatbelt. Ano?
Now, I don't feel good.
Nasusuka na daw siya. So, magpapahinga muna tayo. Just gonna chill for a bit. Umulan nga eh. Sana may fireworks. Sana talaga. Doon kami sumakay.
Pangalan dito lang.
Tron.
3, 2, 1. Sabi nung ano?
3, 2,
2, 1. Buo na blast off.
blast off. We're gonna ride the Pirates of Caribbean. Ay, na binaril.
Mahingi daw, it's small time.
Ito yung last ride namin. Tiana.
Love.
Bakit ka mabuti? Baka mahimatay ka. Hi guys, so kakatapos lang namin mag-ride sa Tiana. Tiana's Adventure. So basang-basa kami, as you can see. Tapos nagre-ready na sila for parade and look at the castle at night. Sobrang daming tao kasi nagre-ready na sila for parade. May parade ng 9. That's 8:41. It's 8:41. Bibili lang kami ng food para makaupo na kami.
Saka upo, ganda.
Magsingit na lang, be.
Nighttime is the best time to dream, don't you think? It feels like we can touch the stars.
Hey guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing?
Hi guys, so tapos na yung Starlight and mag-order lang kami. Yung mini corner, it comes with fries. So do you want me to upgrade the fries to chili cheese? And then one Fanta. Guys, nakahanap namin spot for fireworks.
Mga sinabi sila, bigyan
Hindi, I mean, magsasagi kasi if ilalagay mo agad.
Hindi ah. Sige nga, try mo.
Dito sa gilid, isasaw-saw kasi. Para ano mo, ano yun?
Sige na. Di ako mananalo.
The fog is lifted and the last
See the light, and it's like the sky is blue, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world is somehow shifted.
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic.
Hi guys, so we're in Monorail and this is it for this day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hey guys, welcome back to her channel, Von Alexa. Today we're going to...
Hey guys, we're on our way sa Universal.
We're gonna go to Island of Adventure first. Club?
Magra-rides daw kami agad. Yung extreme. Unang rides, extreme agad. Kasi why not, diba? Ang una namin sasakyan is Rip Ride Rocket. Pero kailangan ilagay yung gamit sa locker kasi no loose item dapat. So hindi ko madadala tong camera. Hi guys! So kakatapos lang namin sumakay doon. It was extreme. Pero kanaya naman. How was the ride?
7
It was
out
good.
of 10. Kasi nahilo lang ako. Natakot pa.
Now we're looking for butterbeer.
No, we're going straight to
Oh,
Harry Potter.
we're going straight to the Harry Potter ride. And then maybe after, we're gonna grab some, ano yun, love? Butterbeer. Just to try. Because I heard it's good. We're at Diagon Alley.
Diaphragm Alley.
Diaphragm. Magaling kumanta to. Potter. Hindi kasi ako fan ng Harry Potter eh. Nanood ka ba ng Harry Potter? Ito yung dragon, no?
Yung umpisa lang.
Wala akong matawid.
Kasi sinusunod. Bahog ka nito. Overhyped. Ano?
It's good. Pero hindi siya yung wow. No.
Hindi ka lang yung bago.
Hi guys, so magra-ride kami sa Transformer.
Sunlight pouring through the window. The smell of coffee fills the air.
Hey guys, so nandito kami sa Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon.
Here we go, Times Square. I think I know the way around Times Square, no problem. Oh, it's on!
Breath
Mag-park hop kami sa Islands of Adventure. So, magra-ride daw kami sa Hawk. Hawk ba yan? Hawk. Hawk. So, dito kami sasakay, guys. Dito. Iiwan mo ako. Nag-rides. Parang wala lang. Parang walang nangyari. Diyos ko.
Huwag ka nang... Namiss ko tayo.
Parang walang nangyari, guys.
Guys, nag-aalala ako kailangan. Baka mamaya pag gano'ng pinapit.
Hi guys, so nasa line kami ng Spider-Man ride.
Is this thing on? Listen, Scope. Crime reports are... Nice shades. Spider-Man. That's no good.
Spidey! Spidey!
Can we take a picture? Okay. Love. Dito lang.
Where?
Filming me right now?
Yeah!
Live? It's like a news
Say
report.
hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog. Spidey phone? Get out. What's up, guys? Like and subscribe.
Magra-ride kami ngayon sa Discal. Oh! Parang to, wala akong nakita. Ang neto.
Just the locals, folks.
Busy days do come now and then.
Hi guys! So, nandito kami sa Harry Potter area ulit. Pero sa Islands of Adventure.
Diba si Harry, oh? Harry Roque. Harry Roque.
Hi, check. Nauntog pa. Now, we're at the Harry Potter ride. Inside the castle, actually.
May pinuint out.
Talaga, nakakainis.
Nagugulat naman ako. Holy shit.
Hi guys, bumili uli ako ng butterbeer. Pero hindi siya yung... Wow! Pero yung normal na butterbeer, hindi yung frozen. Hi guys, dyan kami galing na ride. Tatlo lang kami sumakay kasi ayaw nila. Diyos ko, walang kwenta. Nag-expect ako ng biglang drop. Hindi. Hi guys, so kakalabas lang namin ng Island of Adventure. And nasa City Walk na kami. Kasi it's already 8.
This is the ending of our trip.
This is the end of our trip. Tomorrow is our flight.
Back to
Edmonton.
sad.
Look at the City Walk. Enjoy ka ba today?
Today?
Yeah.
Sakto lang kasi
What?
puro extreme yung rides eh. I wanna try them all pero
Ayaw na kasi nang masyadong extreme. Kaya pag nag-extreme rides, ako lang sumasakay mag-isa. We're gonna eat dinner sa Raising Cane's kasi we've been craving for it. Actually siya, mas nagkikrave siya sa Raising Cane's. Gusto niya talaga i-try.
bahay lang na may mga pagkain naman. Hindi maglulose weight lang siya.
Order pa kami ng isang malaking sauce.
Food vlogger ka na. Ano bang content?
Order pa kami ng bagong bread and fries. Hi guys, so I forgot to do an outro for this vlog again. So thank you for watching this vlog and I hope you enjoyed it. See you on my next one. Ciao!